Indus has been supporting the civilization for more than 5,000 years. It is the backbone of Pakistan. What we are is because of the Indus. So the question really is, are we in a position to support the Indus for the next 100 years?
Yes, we can grow glaciers, and we have the technique. It is purely indigenous technique.
The snow leopard is fully in danger in few years if we cannot control it. So our upcoming generation will not able to see snow leopard.
The flood not only washed out my homes and property, but it had, take off all my childhood memories.
Pakistan is one out of the 10 most impacted countries by climate change. And what that led to really was the culmination of what we're called the Living Indus program, which is an umbrella initiative. It is a call to action. The Indus flows from the north of Pakistan and then goes into the plains of Punjab via KP, and eventually it falls into the south of Pakistan, which is Sindh province, and then eventually into the Arabian Sea. The topography of Pakistan is very diverse. The mountains of Gilgit-Baltistan, the terrain that they offer is different from the terrain or the topography that you would see in Sindh. So the kind of solutions that we're providing through this Indus initiative also have to be contextualized to the particular area. And it entails within it a set of 25 interventions that are aimed towards the ecological restoration of the Indus basin.